Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we review the latest tech products in the market. Today, we are going to compare two popular wireless headphones, Srhythm NC25 and BERIBES Bluetooth headphones over ear. We will evaluate each product in different categories and help you choose the best one. If you are looking for noise cancellation technology, both headphones do a pretty good job at it. However, Srhythm NC25 has a professionally isolated 90% surrounding noise, while BERIBES headphones technology ensures fast signal transmission and stable connectivity with a smart device. Srhythm NC25 has a 1000 mAh battery, which provides up to 50 hours of uninterrupted playtime. In comparison, BERIBES headphone has a built-in 500 mAh battery that can play more than 65 hours on a fully charged battery. Also, the wired mode option adds to the convenience. Srhythm NC25 is an ergonomic headset that adjusts to your head size and is so comfortable that you forget you are wearing them. On the other hand, BERIBES's lightweight design and memory protein earmuffs ensure that your ears are protected in long-term use, and the adjustable headband makes it easy to fit all head sizes without any pain. BERIBES's latest Bluetooth 5.2 enables faster and more stable transmitter range up to 33 feet, while the two smart devices can be connected at the same time, making it easy to pick up phone calls while watching a movie. Srhythm NC25's low latency mode makes it an ideal Bluetooth headphone for watching TV, video conference, and gaming. Srhythm NC25's 40mm drivers provide high-res audio in silence, along with 360-degree omnidirectional noise-canceling ANC technology, a high-response diaphragm, and lightweight voice coil that delivers clear sound with full dynamic range. BERIBES updated headphones wireless Bluetooth Black has dual 40mm dynamic sound units and 6 equalizer modes suitable for every music genre. BERIBES Bluetooth headphones over ear is priced at $35 United States dollars, while Srhythm NC25 is priced at $59 United States dollars. Therefore, if you're looking for a more cost-effective option, BERIBES is the way to go. Thank you for watching our comparison video of Srhythm NC25 and BERIBES Bluetooth headphones over ear. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which one's your favorite. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this.